Hi, I'm Dan Fishman. I'm an engineering teacher here at Deptford High for the Engineering and Computer Science Academy. Most people know me as Mr. Fish, and I've been teaching in the engineering department now for about 6 years. I personally come from a background of math. In college, I was a straight math student. I love the subject. Professionally, I have shadowed several different engineers, whether it's building houses, building roads, pouring concrete for curbs, carpentry. I've done electrician work, I've done plumbing work, I've done a lot of different building things with my hands before I got into the teaching field. I made great connections, and we do bring some engineers from the professional world into the class to meet as guest speakers. The Engineering and Computer Science Academy was the first academy in our high school. It started about 7 years ago. As a first year student in our Engineering Academy, you'll join our IED, which stands for Intro to Engineering Design, taught by Mr. Ream. We'll deal with 3D virtual software where you'll get to build models, and you'll also learn about how to actually go through the design process, which is really important for all engineering. In the second year, you'll get into Principles of Engineering. That class is taught by myself. You get to build and learn all about how to design machines to do simple tasks. You get to do programming, so you get to program robots. You get to learn about mechanical advantage and all the physics, the fun stuff I always call it, and the math side of the engineering program. After that, you'll get to choose what you want to do, whether you want to go into the physical field where you get to deal with the biology side, taught by Mr. Whitaker, where you get to dissect things and do a whole bunch of cool tests on different things. Or you could go to Ms. Sukumar, who teaches digital electronics. In that class, you get to learn all about circuits and a whole bunch of other fun stuff. Your fourth year, you will either be back with me again or you'll be back with Mr. Ream. If you come back with me again, you'll be dealing with civil engineering and architecture. That class, we get to build model houses, we get to do more 3D software, we get to design libraries and other fun stuff that I always say Deptford needs for the future. Or with Mr. Ream, you get to learn all about coding and programming for different apps and things that you guys play with all the time on your phones. As an engineering student, you'll also be able to get certified in AutoCAD, which is great for when you graduate out of Deptford High School. Most colleges and careers do look for those certifications, so by the time you leave here, you could be certified in AutoCAD and a couple other things. Some of the other courses you'll get to take are Digital Arts, which is taught by Mr. Lampone. You'll learn all about how to animate and things of that nature. As you progress through our classes here at Deptford High, you will notice that there are many different career paths to choose from. You will explore engineering career paths that are interesting to you. Every student will have chosen a different career path that's interesting, and it comes together as a big presentation. So you will be exposed to up to 25 different engineering career paths. We've paired with Project Lead the Way, which is accredited by many different colleges throughout the entire United States. For some of our students, they actually have taken some college classes as early as sophomore year. That way, when you do graduate from Deptford High School, you will have earned many credits already. I personally have had several students go to many big colleges, Ivy Leagues, Caltech, Purdue, Rowan. We've had many different students come back to Deptford High School and tell us how much they learned here in Deptford and how much ahead they are of their other classmates. As a possible future engineering student, you may be wondering, is this for me? And the answer is yes. Even if you don't necessarily want to go into the engineering field, this is a great academy for those who love math, who love problem solving, and who like to just get out there and build some stuff with their hands. We do have some students who don't want to go into the career field of engineering, but they do like math, they do like problem solving. Any professional interview that you go on, the person interviewing you will love the fact that you do know how to work in a group, you do know how to take the lead, you know how to make sure that you keep a deadline, you know how to make sure your job gets done on time. After high school, these are great skills to be able to take with you into the workforce or into college.